Hi, you found my video. Unfortunately, I have scratched my car. As you can see, it's pretty minor, but therefore today I'm going to apply a few things to see if we can make it better. I've bought this scratch remover, which I will put the link onto the descriptions. So we're going to apply the scratch remover first. Then we're going to apply this touch-up paint. As you can see, I can see at least this portions, this I might have to apply a little bit of a spot paint. All right, then the last things I will review and also apply today is this touch-up paint for the rim. So you can see it's Tesla's car's rim is well known for very easy to scratch. All right, so we're gonna do all this today just to see how the result is. Okay, you will simply put a drop in the middle, maybe about this much. I mean, this is nothing crazy to do, just continue to apply like this. So you continue to do until all the remover is gone, all dry out. We're almost done. All right, let's take a look. I don't think it's a complete gone, but it does looks better. Especially this part, the scratch looks lighter. All right, next step, we're gonna apply some paint. All right, so according to the instruction, you're supposed to shake it for 30 seconds. All right, so we're just gonna do it before use, because you have to precisely mix the paint so the color will look good. Okay, I think that's 30 seconds. All right, we're gonna apply the paints now. I think that's a little bit too much. All right, now we got put some paints on the rim. Make sure you don't apply too much. Okay, we'll go to the next spot. So you can see a lot of scratch on the rim. All right, as you can see, this spot, it has a pretty bad scratch. So we're gonna apply some color. So at the end of the video, I will show you guys all the scratch I have, and after applying the color, I don't know, what does it look like? All right, I think we are all done here. Just let you see. You can still see the scratch there, but at least there's some color. So it's not magic, right? It's still there. You can see on the rim after I put the color, I guess it's still there, just harder to tell. Here's the result of this scratch here. It's definitely still there, but at least there's color. All right, so in conclusion, the scratch remover is about $22. Is it worth it? I think it's okay. At least it does make the light scratch looks better. But for the part that actually lost the pen, there's nothing you can do about it. Then the body touch-up pen, this is $17. Well, it's doing an okay job. I guess it's not going to be magic. It's still there, but at least it's black. And lastly, the ring touch-up pen. Maybe the ring touch-up pen is $12, right? So maybe it's not as worth it, because I previously just used a Sharpie. But the problem with Sharpie is that it will, once you get wet, the color may fade away. So maybe it's okay. Yeah, so $22 plus 17 plus 13. These are just some easy expense to fix out your car. For something like this, it's probably not worth it to bring it to a body shop. All right, so I think it's worth it. I will put the link down below to the descriptions. If you like the video, please subscribe.